The word platform is one of the most misused words in business. Many firms may claim to build a platform, but they all mean very different things when they use the word platform. To explain the idea of a platform business model, I like to contrast it with the traditional model of business that we have grown familiar with, which I call a pipeline. Pipelines have long served as the dominant business design for the industrial economy. Firms build products or services, they push them out and sell them to consumers. The pipeline delivers value in the form of products and services to the consumer, and the consumer pays for these goods or services with some form of currency. Value is produced upstream and consumed downstream, creating a linear flow of value, much like water flowing through a pipe. There are two ways in which pipelines scale. First, a pipeline business may improve operating margins and make it easier for a larger amount of value to flow more efficiently to the consumer. In this case, the business scales through operational efficiency. Second, a pipeline business may convince a larger number of customers to pay a larger amount of currency in exchange for this value. In this case, the business scales through marketing. Pipelines appear in nearly every area of modern industry. Manufacturing companies work like a pipeline, building and shipping products to consumers. Traditional media worked like a pipeline by delivering content to users at the end of the pipe. Even early digital business models followed the pipeline design. The first media companies on the internet worked like pipelines. Amazon's e-commerce store started out as a pipeline as well. Why did the industrial economy choose the pipeline model? A range of technologies drove the industrial economy towards the pipeline model. First, assembly line production, hierarchical organizations, and operations management made it more efficient to build supply at scale. Second, mass advertising and big box retail aggregated the demand side at scale. And third, improvement in logistics and the rise of container shipping enabled the creation of global supply chains that connected supply at scale with demand at scale. A combination of these technologies led to the rise of pipeline business models. Pipelines are the dominant model of business today, but they are fast giving way to a new business model, the platform business model.